All right, guys, we have another really killer core exercise here. So we're going to come onto our bums with our feet out in front, legs are bent. If we need to modify, we're going to bring our hands down to the mat. And you're going to take a deep inhale, nice and tall. Exhale, engage the core, belly button to spine, lean back. So here, tuck the ribs down, feel that core engagement. Inhale, sit up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Level 2, we're going to keep our hands off the floor. So inhale, nice and tall, proud chest. Exhale, tuck the ribs, round the spine, belly button to core. Inhale, up tall. Exhale, roll back. Inhale, up. And exhale. Now, if you want to challenge yourself, level 3, we're going to lift those feet off the ground. Inhale, nice and tall. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale.